And thank you for visiting Alice Springs. Now we're on our way up to Darwin. Good afternoon from the Alice Springs Brewing Company, right opposite the G'day or the Discovery Park Caravan Park. And our caravan park is right there on the other side of the road. Oh, love that. And there's all the beer in there. And all the varieties of beer you can have here. And a beer garden, plenty of places to sit down. And here's our beers. One of them is called This Is a Knife, 8.5%. And that's for Mara to drink. And the other ones are all sort of mid-strength beers, I believe. I just picked them, so let's try them out. And the verdict is?
It's stronger than that.
Oh yeah, it's 8.5%. And there's our pizza and beers. Beautiful. Can't wait to get into that one. Pizza over and done. Nice. And nice beers to wash it down with. Here at the Alice Springs Brewery. Well, that's our experience in Alice Springs Brewing Company. If you're in Alice Springs, do yourself a favor and come and try it out. It's good. Well, good morning again from Alice Springs. Today we're venturing out to the East MacDonnell Ranges, and the first stop here is Emily Gap. This is Emily Gap, looking up to the jagged rocks. Action shot crossing the creek. Okay, you just saw Emily Gap, and the next one here is called Jessie Gap. Okay, now we're at Trofina Gorge Campground. Looking up at all the rocks there. And when it does rain, this would be a river. And the campground is right here. And here we are at Ross River Homestead. Well, welcome to the end of the East MacDonnell Ranges at a place called the Ross River Homestead. You can stay here in a campground, and you can also have cabins. And they do have a swimming pool. They have powered and unpowered sites for your caravan and motorhomes, etc. And I'll show you inside the restaurant. And we've just ordered a hamburger and chips with the lot, and the lady said they're very, very big and we'd be having trouble eating it all. But anyway, we'll see when we get in there. Springs is only about 90 kilometers away from here. This is part of the menu. That's what we're having, the Ross burger, $25 with the lot and chips. And this is the dining room. You can eat your lunch and dinner here. They have a bar, all memorabilia, all the bits and pieces around. This is the bar. Seating areas. And the chairs are old saddles. There they are. Yeah. And the walls in this place are so thick. Oh, that was quick. Some of the rooms inside the homestead. This is and our lunch is here. Let's see how big this bugger is. Oh geez, it's big. There you go. What do you think about this, eh? I'll into this one.
That's a whopper stopper.
Well, after a lovely lunch at Ross River Homestead, we're now here at the Corroboree Rock. You can tell we are right in the middle of the red centre. Now we're on our way up to Darwin. Well, we've left Alice Springs this morning, and about 30 kilometers up the road is the Tropic of Capricorn rest area, 24-hour limit. And this is the marker. Like I said, you can park here up to 24 hours if you wish, but we're not going to be staying here. We'll go a bit further up and we'll park somewhere else, and I'll show you where we parked up for the night. Well, as you know, we left Alice Springs this morning. We've driven 170 kilometers to a rest area called Browse Gap Rest Area. Has a emergency satellite phone here, plenty of places to park. It has toilets, and you have 4 lots of bins, a shaded area. Yes, you know, not the biggest of rest areas, but it'll do. It's close to the highway, so. Well, welcome to the Barra Creek Pub, the home of bullshit and beer. It's just more of a rest stop, get some fuel if you require it, and go into the pub itself and have a look, and we'll go inside and check it out. So you can get your fuel from there, out in the middle of the red centre of Northern Territory. And walk inside the pub now, have a look there. All the old stuff in here. No idea. Army, Air Force.